This is the mood board for your bedroom.
Oh, gosh, yes.
OK? It's got a beautiful Brixton sunny sunset harbour theme.
How lovely.
So I thought we'd have a monochrome scheme, and we go quite dark on the grey, so all of this wall will all be in one colour.
That's not going to be too dark, is it?
No,
on three
it won't.
walls?
So the dark grey is going to be sort of the main colour of the room, but that's really just to set off this gorgeous silk coral. And I'm going to make you a padded silk headboard. So it really will be a very dominant colour in the room, and that is to offset that.
I can understand that perfectly, yeah.
To continue the opulent feel, Becky's design includes textured cushions and a grand mirror above a King Louis-style fireplace.
What will you do inside where it's tiled at the moment?
We've got a back plate that we'll put. We'll leave the existing aperture there and just work around it.
Right, OK.